Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of robo-advisors, specifically Stashaway. If you've been thinking about investing but feel a little intimidated by the stock market jungle, robo-advisors like Stashaway might be your perfect oasis. But before you jump in, the big question is Stashaway legit? Sipping from the robo-advisor stream. Let's back up a sec. Robo-advisors are essentially automated investment platforms. They take your financial goals, risk tolerance, and a sprinkle of your financial background and whip up a personalized investment portfolio. Think of it like having your own investing butler, minus the fancy suit and questionable mustache. Stashaway is one such robo-advisor operating in Southeast Asia and the Middle East. They claim to make investing simple and affordable, perfect for beginners who don't want to spend hours researching stocks. But with all the online scams lurking around, it's natural to be cautious. So, let's dissect this Stashaway beast and see if it's all sunshine and rainbows. Under the hood, unveiling Stashaway's legitimacy. First things first, Stashaway boasts some pretty impressive credentials. They're licensed by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, a well-respected financial regulator. This means they're subject to strict rules and oversight, offering a layer of security for your hard-earned cash. Stashaway also takes security seriously. They store your information using top-notch encryption methods, similar to what banks use. Plus, they keep your money separate from their own, so even if things go south, which is highly unlikely, your funds are protected. Here's another point for Stashaway: transparency. They clearly outline their fees, investment strategies, and potential risks involved. No hidden costs, no shady tactics, just straightforward information to help you make informed decisions. Beyond the credentials, a look at user experiences. Credentials are great, but what do real people say about Stashaway? Reviews paint a generally positive picture. Many users appreciate the platform's user-friendly interface, making it easy to set up and manage their investments. Others find the automated approach a breath of fresh air, allowing them to invest without getting bogged down in market complexities. Of course, no platform is perfect. Some users mention higher fees compared to some competitors, while others would prefer more control over their portfolio allocation. This is a valid point. Stashaway uses pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance. If you're a seasoned investor who craves more customization, Stashaway might not be the best fit. The verdict: is Stashaway a legit watering hole? So, can we finally answer the burning question? Absolutely, Stashaway is a legit platform. They're licensed, secure, and transparent about their practices. User reviews are generally positive, highlighting the platform's ease of use and automated approach. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're a complete beginner looking for a hassle-free way to start investing, Stashaway is a great option. But if you have a strong investment background and crave more control, you might want to explore other robo-advisors or even traditional brokerage platforms. Remember, investing always carries some risk. Before diving in, do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat Stashaway, or any investment platform, as a tool, not a guaranteed path to riches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.